Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I just decided I haven't really been giving out stuff in a long time, so I'm actually just gonna be like giving away my diamond spikes. So let's just see. Let's give you my wonderful. I'll give you a neon spike. There you go. Well, enjoy. Okay. Now I'm just gonna I don't know. No problem. Anyways. Oh, I really don't want to accept, but okay. Whatever. I'll just go to the next one. Okay, whatever you want. Let's see. Are you rare? Yes, that's kind of rare, I guess. Are you rare? I really need to go where the non-rare people are. So let's go over here. Okay. Ooh, there's a lot some. Whoever says I get a free item. That is not on my trade. That is not on my trade. Let me just take off my trade list. I just need to take off my trade list. As I lag. Just delete all those stuff. Oh, okay. The lag is real, so thing away there. I'll just give something away in Jamal. So let's just do this person. Oh. Okay then. Let's just do this person. Hold on, do something. Whoever says I get a free item. Let's see who will be first to get it. Okay. Let's do this. Let's do this wonderful window and just do a spike. Give you a neon spike right here. Come on. She has to accept that. Yes. Yes. Okay, well, let's do somewhere over here. Let's do this. Okay. So no one here, of course. Ooh, let's do this person. Oh, nothing on trade. Let's do this person. Nothing on trade. No. Just gonna have to decline that. Go back to Jamal. This person looks interesting. I'm gonna give you. Wait. Whoever says cheese gets a random item. Let's see, okay. Cheese. Someone just said cheese. Let's trade for your snazzy rare. Okay. Spike. give you this custom spiked collar. I don't know. Okay. Anyways, let's go somewhere else. Well, enjoy. Now let's go to Chimbu. Oh, there's no one here, of course. Temple of Zios. Looks like a snazzy person. I'll trade for your little fireplace since you could get that in stores. Wait, hold on. Oh, okay, I went to the arcade. Alright. Okay. Whoever says spread the loaf gets a random item. Anyone gonna say it? Come on, spread the loaf, guys. Spread the loaf. Yes, someone said it. Thank you. Wait, did you? What? Oh no. Whatever. Just gonna give you a wonderful spike. Let's give you this blackout. Okay. Enjoy. Now, next one. Let's go to here. This. Okay. Whoever says spread the loaf gets what is this? Spread the loaf. No. Come on, someone. Say it. Say it. Say it. Say it. Okay, spread the loaf right here. You already look pretty rare. But I'm still gonna give you some stuff. Enjoy. As I wait and wait for this to load. That finally loaded. Finally. Send. Spread the loaf. I don't need that anymore. Anyways. Enjoy. Who's in my den? Oh. Whoop. I didn't get a prize. Because someone said it first. Okay. Cause someone else said. You're welcome. Whoop. And y'all stay. Okay, last spikes I'm giving away on trade. Okay, well, I'm about to end this video. Let's see if they could trade for them quickly. Accept that. And accept this. Enjoy. Well, I'm about to log off, so hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I'll be giving away more later. Bye!